We are here at Wheaton High School for Next Generation Leadership Day.
So good morning, welcome.
It's my first time here. I'm excited for everything.
So this is an event for 4th and 5th graders to get into leadership.
Pues es más especial porque pues yo estaba escogido uno de los pocos niños en mi escuela.
When students walk in, the first thing they do is check in. At 9:30, we'll have our General Assembly with a bunch of awesome speakers such as Dr. Taylor, our superintendent, and a bunch of student-led organizations as well as student leaders. So for the rest of the day, students will be in a classroom, and in their classrooms, we're gonna do a bunch of workshops.
We did a building kind of thing with spaghetti and marshmallows, and we had to all use teamwork to figure out how to build the tallest tower.
We had prompt cards and we had to come up with a story, so we had to include all our ideas and we had to be creative.
What do you want?
So I hope that the elementary school students will see that today leaders are always learning, so you don't have to be perfect in order to be a leader.
To be a leader, it's not all about you, it's about being creative and being able to work with others well.